What's up everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to talk about the not so new anymore DJI mic. This was first released back in 2022 and in this video today we will see if it's still worth getting in 2023. So let's start unboxing. So DJI boxes these days comes with this little green thing like Apple-like. This must be where all the cables are, and this is the mic itself. What we have in this small box is a casing specifically for you to store this. Okay, we have a couple things more in the bag. Manual. This is the 3.5mm jack for you to connect this to your camera. Then we have one dead cap and a USB-A to USB-C cable for you to transfer your audio from the DJI mic to your laptop. Okay, first let's check out the material of this box. This casing looks like carbon fiber, but it's not. It's just like a rubber material. If you want to save this from getting scratches, I assume this is where the casing comes in. Travel around with it. Let's open this system. As you can see from the box itself, these 4 LED lights are the battery level of the DJI mic. And this is 2 transmitter and 1 receiver. So this receiver has a mini OLED screen. I guess it's very convenient for people who shoot alone. You can put this on your camera and you can monitor your recordings from where you're at. Very simple. This is how it looks like. It's kind of small. There's green LED on the left and another LED on the right. This blinks red when you're recording. So this is, by the way, an omnidirectional mic. So depending on where you point this, it will record your audio perfectly. On the side, there's a USB-C, there's a power button, and there's a link button with a mic recording button. Oh, very strong and crispy magnet. The only way you can use this is by putting it on your shirt. Very strong magnet. I assume this would work on any kind of material, be it sweater, t-shirts, no problem. So I accidentally triggered the record button and it vibrates when you turn the record button on and off. Cool. So there's 2 of these, which you can store in the case. And also there is hot shoe clip right in front, USB-C and lightning port for you to use in your respective device. Right off the bat, you will see this language for you to set up. We just go English, press the arrow, and it's already paired. Unfortunately, you don't get any extra lav mics in the package. And from a lot of other reviews out there, it seems like this DJI mic only supports certain lav mics to work flawlessly with. Now let's get to that very main reason why we want to get this mic in the first place. Okay, as you can see on the table, we have 2 different lav mics and we will try that after this. So right now, we'll go with the DJI mic first. This is what you're hearing from the DJI mic. And this is what you're hearing from the Rode Wireless Go. What do you think? If you hear any differences, please leave a comment down below and let me know. So next up, we're gonna try this because from other reviewers out there, some of them says that only certain lav mics work with the DJI mic system. So let's go with this. The first lav mic we have in the studio. And we'll record it with the lav mic. Record button on. This is what you're hearing from the first lav mic. And now we'll go with the other lav mics. This must be some lav mic from China, but let's see if it works. This is what you're hearing from the second lav mic. This is what you're hearing from the third lav mic. This DJI mic comes with features like delivering good sound qualities at 250 meters of distances without interruptions, of course. But what I really like about it is that it has this built-in safety track feature. So imagine this, if you're out and about shoot and then you realize that your audio is screwed up. So what do? Usually you cannot do anything about it and then you just have to like reshoot. But with this safety feature built in, there is a built-in safety feature in this transmitter which it quietly records something at -6 decibels peak. You can also use this safety feature and connect it using the USB-A to USB-C to your computer, and then now you have a safety track which you can use. So each of this transmitter has a 14-hour recording length each, and then which I think it's a lot. 14 hours takes you a lot longer to finish. So that's a bonus point. Now, when it comes to the battery life of this DJI mic, the receiver itself has 5 hours of usage, and each of the transmitters has 5.5 hours of usage. So if you run out of juice, don't worry, because you still have the case. The case itself holds another 10 hours of charge, and if you're not out shooting the whole day, this would actually last one whole day, I think. If you still need more juice, you can always connect a USB-C power bank to this DJI mic and continue charging it. So let's go with the pros and cons of this DJI mic. First, it definitely left a very crispy impression on me, so we'll go with the pros first. I like that the features are very useful to use, the safety track feature, especially when you're shooting alone. And that safety track feature should be also on other wireless systems as well. The design itself is very well thought for its convenience. It's like bringing a wireless earphone but in a bigger size. Excellent audio quality and range. What I don't like is the fact that these transmitters button, as I was reviewing it earlier, it's very easily triggered, right? And also when you record, the red color indicator blinks, so that actually sways you away. But I think that DJI itself, they've already released a firmware update so that when you record, the red indicator will not light up. Apart from this, maybe the upcoming generation of DJI mic, a smaller transmitter design perhaps. Now that sums up for today's video of the DJI mic. Do share with me in the comments section below on your experiences with it, and let's catch up for more tech reviews in the future. Bye.